What up, what up? WINBUSH here. And I literally just found out about this quick tip during lunch. Shout out to Andy. But if you're inside of Unreal Engine 5, more particularly if you're using the motion design tools, and let's say you're inside this project and you want to isolate something out, like I'm just going to quickly add a cube into here. We want to isolate this so we don't see anything else around here. If we come down here to this little toolbar, we will see these 4 squares. And I don't know why I didn't put 2 and 2 together, but right here it literally says isolate selected objects. So if I click on this, it's just going to isolate your object there. So you want to make sure you have it selected over here inside your outliner. And then if you want to bring everything back into your viewport, you're just going to left click on it again. But let's say you're not using the motion design tools and you want to isolate anyway, there is another way that you could do it. It's a little bit more manual. So right here, I'm inside my motion design outliner. You want to go over to your regular outliner. This will be just for your normal Unreal Engine outliner. And let's say I want to take that cube again. I'm going to select it inside my viewport, or you could do it from here to outliner. If I right click right here where it says my cube, if I come down here to visibility, it's going to say right here, show only selected. So if I select this, now it's going to isolate it. Like you can see the outline of the box, but it's also going to take away the lights as well. So the better way of doing it is if you're inside the motion design tools, definitely use that isolated 4 square there. But if you're not using motion design, you can always come over here and turn on the lights as well. But make sure you tag somebody down below that can use this tip. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you soon. Take care.